Now, the goal of this video was to see if I can use Claude Code to automate the creation of a page like this. Basically, have Claude Code help us create the content. So if that sounds interesting and you want to learn something new today, this video is for you. Let's begin. Now, before you open Claude Code on your computer, you need to make sure you have a Claude Code account. So if you don't have a Claude Code account, you can click over here where it says try Claude Code on the top right, click on this and create a Claude account. I already have one, so it's not going to ask me to create one. Just go ahead and create a Claude account. Now, the last thing we need for us to be able to automate the process of content creation is the Hixfield skill for Claude Code. Down in the description, there's going to be a link to Hixfield. Click on that link and it should send you to this website over here. Once you are on this website, click over here to the top left where it says MCP and CLI. Click on this. Then make sure you have CLI selected. You're not on the MCP and you're not on the skill. Select CLI. What you want to do here is copy this command over here. Just click on it and it's going to copy it for you. After you copy the command, what I want you to do is go over here on your search bar on your computer, click on the search bar and then search for terminal. Just like this one over here, terminal. Click on it, open the terminal and then paste this command. Usually you just press Ctrl V on your keyboard and it's going to paste the command. Then press enter on your keyboard and then it's going to install this CLI. Now, after you install it, it should look something like this. Now, what I want you to do is don't close the window. Instead, just go back to Hixfield and copy the second command over here. Click on it, copy it, then go back to your terminal. It should be over here on your bar. Open the terminal, paste the command, press enter on your keyboard, and it should send you to this page over here to authorize access to Hixfield. Now, if you get an error when you do this, it's because you don't have a Hixfield account. So in order to create a Hixfield account, go back to Hixfield, click over here where it's going to say sign up and create an account on Hixfield. You can also log in with your Google account on Hixfield. Now, after you create an account on Hixfield, you can open the terminal again and paste the second command again. And again, it's going to ask you to authorize, just click connect and you've connected Hixfield with your Claude Code. So if you just click connect, it's going to connect device authorized. You can then go ahead and close this window. Now back on Hixfield, what I want you to do is copy the third command, which is this one over here. Just click on it and it's going to copy. And this is going to be the skill that lets us create images and videos for our content. So copy this command, go back to your terminal over here and paste the command by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard, then press enter on your keyboard. And it's going to start downloading the skill and installing it. So over here is going to ask you type Y to proceed. So just press Y over here on your keyboard, then press enter. And as you can see, it's going to start installing the skill. Now over here is going to ask you which skill you want to install. And it's going to be the first one over here, which is Hixfield generate images, videos via Hixfield AI, blah, blah, blah. Now, if you press enter, it's not going to work. So I'm going to press enter for you. So you see, it's going to say this, please select at least one option. So instead of enter, you actually have to press space to select an option. So first, press space on this option over here. As you can see, we've selected it and now we can press enter. Then over here, what I select is project instead of global. So just select project and press enter. Then over here at the installation method, I'm gonna choose Symlink. So I'm just gonna press enter over here. Then it's going to ask proceed with the installation. Now I'm not gonna click enter because I already installed the skill, but over here you just wanna select yes and press enter and it's going to install the skill for you. And that's it. That's everything you had to download and install in order to be able to automate the process of creating content. So let me show you how we can use Claude Code to help us create content for Facebook or Instagram or even YouTube. Now that you have everything installed, I want you to open Claude Code on your computer. This is how Claude is going to look on your computer. What I want you to do is go to the top left over here and select chat. After you select the chat, this is where we're going to create the scripts. For that, I already have a prompt and I'm going to share it for free. If you want the prompt, there's going to be a link down in the description to my free school community. And if you go to that link, it should send you over here. If you click join group, you can join for free. And inside the group, once you join, it's going to look like this. And if you click over here on the classroom, you click on classroom over here, I've just created this new module called free prompts. And this is where I'm going to share all the free prompts I use in my YouTube video. So if you click on this module over here, you will see that we have this module over here called Religious Facebook AI Content. Click on this module and over here we have the prompts we're going to be using inside this video. So the first thing I want you to do is copy this first prompt over here. So I'm going to copy the script prompt over here. So just copy this entire prompt, just like me, until here, and then right click and copy. Now I want you to go back to Claude. And over here in the chat, I want you to paste this prompt. Now, what this prompt does is going to research the internet for interesting facts about religion, theories about religion, facts about religion, conspiracy theory about religion, stories from the Bible, and basically anything related to religion. Not only that, but this prompt won't generate just one script. This prompt will generate 10 mini scripts for short form content. Now, once it's done, you're going to have over here on the right 10 mini scripts for short form content. As you can see over here, we have script number 10, script number 9, script number 8, and we can scroll up until script number 1. And if you want, you can generate more than 10 scripts. You can go back to the prompt and just add 10 over here, and you're going to generate 100 scripts in literally 5 minutes. Now, once you have the scripts, what I recommend is you go ahead and you read all the scripts, and then you edit the scripts yourself. You add human touch to them, right? You add your own edits to these scripts. This way you can customize the scripts and make them more unique to your own style. The goal is not to just generate scripts with AI. The goal is to generate scripts with AI which you use as references. You're basically going to use these scripts over here as references. You're using Claude Code as a way to research the scripts for you, and then you rewrite the scripts yourself. Now, once you've rewritten the scripts with your own words, let's assume you've rewritten script number 1 over here. What I want you to do is go to the top left over here and click on this icon over here, which is the code section of Claude. So click on this, and this is going to send you to Claude Code. Now, I want you to go back to my free community page over here, and inside my free community page in the free prompt section, again, inside the religious Facebook AI content, if you scroll down, you're going to find this prompt over here, which is called the image prompt. I want you to copy this prompt, the entire prompt, just like me. And then right click, copy. Then go back to Claude and paste this prompt over here. Then I want you to delete the last part of the prompt over here where it says paste script here. Delete this part. Then on the top left, go back to the chat over here and copy the first script you've rewritten. So basically, as I've said, let's assume you've rewritten script number 1. And this is going to be the rewritten version of script number 1. You want to copy your script, right click and copy, go back to Claude Code over here to the top left, click on this icon, and you're back to Claude Code, and paste the script below this prompt over here, right click and paste. Now you can send this message to Claude Code. What this prompt will do is going to generate the prompts for the images you have to generate for your script. As you can see over here, we have image number 1, and we have the prompt for image number 1. Then we have image number 2, and we have the prompt for image number 2. And then we have image number 3, and so on and so on. Now, a lot of you are probably asking, why am I not generating the images right away, just from the script? Well, this is one of the biggest mistakes a lot of you are doing. If I go ahead and generate the images right away, just based on the script, the images will not be consistent and they will look like crap. And so in order to avoid that, this prompt over here, instead of creating images right away for the script, will instead create the prompts for the images, because this way each image has its own detailed prompt, which will help with consistency and quality. So now if we go ahead and scroll down, we will see that we have prompts for, I don't know, how many images are here? 14 images. Now, once this is ready, what I want you to do is type the following message over here. I want you to generate all these images using the Higgs field skill. Now, this is super important. You need to mention the Higgs field skill, and then you need to mention the model you want Higgs field to use. So what I'm gonna do here is also mention the model. So I want you to generate all these images using the Higgs field skill, and by using the ChatGPT image model 2. So make sure you also mention ChatGPT image model 2. And then at the end of this prompt, we also want to tell Claude Code to create a folder for us where we can have all these images stored. So what I'm going to say is also create a folder with these images so I can easily use them. And that's it. What I want you to do is go ahead and send this prompt to Claude Code. In 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to have all the images generated. As you can see over here, it says running skill Higgs field. Then Claude Code is going to ask you to allow access. You can't see it because of my webcam, so let me remove my webcam. As you can see over here, allow once or allow always. So usually I always click always allow. Now, as Claude Code is generating the images, as you can see, they will be deployed one by one inside this folder over here. As you can see, I have this folder over here, religious content. If you click on this and then you click show in Explorer, it's going to open your folder over here. As you can see, we have this folder over here and each image is being slowly uploaded. If we click on them, they're going to look like this. In my opinion, they look amazing. And this is the reason why we want to use the prompt which will generate each image prompt, because the details on these images is insane. They look like incredible, beautiful paintings. And what's awesome about these images is that they fit with your script. Now you can literally go ahead and take these images and add them in your video editing program and fit them with the script. But we don't have to stop here. We can actually go ahead and transform these images into videos. And to do that, it's super simple. We go back to Claude Code over here and type the following prompt. Now turn these images into 4-second videos where the camera slowly moves in and it feels like objects and the people inside the images are slowly moving and they all kind of look like a 3D image, right? You can copy this prompt over here. Once you write this prompt, you can send this prompt to Claude Code. Now, as the videos are being created, they're going to be deployed in the exact same folder. Over here, if I open the folder, you will see that Claude Code has created another folder inside this folder called videos. If we click on this folder, we will see that the videos are being generated and added inside this folder. And if we click on them, we can see we have the videos. And they look amazing. This really looks beautiful. Let's see what else we have. This one is also super cool. Now, if you found this helpful and you want to learn more, there's going to be a link down in the description where you can join my free community. And inside my free community, I have these free courses over here. And if you want to get my full strategy over here, basically the Faceless YouTube AI course, for this one, you have to become a premium member, which costs $49 a month. And inside you have like a lot of things, as you can see, a lot of juice. If you want to learn more, you might want to check my community out. There's going to be a link down in the description.